Hello everyone, this is Rebecca and today I'm going to show you how I did a simple and inexpensive makeover of this IKEA stepping stool. We use it outside so it's very dirty, and I'm going to start out with a chisel and sandpaper, both fine and coarse. I'm going to start out by chiseling bits of glue that stuck to it and sandpapering the stool, especially the surfaces, the top surfaces where we step, with coarse, and then with medium, and then with fine sandpaper. And you can see the wood pattern starting to emerge from underneath all that gunk. Next I'm going to wipe off all the sawdust and get ready to stain or paint the stepping stool. So the paint is brown paint left over from our house remodeling, and I just diluted it 50% with water, and I'm sponging it on with an old packing sponge. So really inexpensive because I'm going to throw away the sponge after this anyway. So I sponged all over, and I really like the way that it looked. I wiped away any excess paint so that just a thin layer, a thin coat remained, and it really brought out the look of the wood, the grain and the different knots and all that in the pine. After the paint had dried on for about 24 hours, I got out some inexpensive furniture varnish. I don't even know what this varnish is made out of. It comes in a glass bottle and is very, very cheap, and for outdoor, rough use, I think it's perfect for this because it's inexpensive and I hope long lasting. So I'm sponging it on with a simple sponge brush that I got from Hardware, and trying to be as even as possible, though I don't think that I did that great a job with the varnishing. So this is what it looks like before and after. It was kind of dirty before, and after I kind of feel it has a rustic barnwood kind of feel. I also feel that it's a little bit like walnut wood in its hue, and I really like the tone that the paint stain gave it. This was a really simple and easy project for me to practice refurbishing furniture. I'm really pleased with the results, and I hope it will last a long time. So if you like this video, do like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more. Bye!